choosing the right office furniture. You spend a lot more time at the office and then you at home or any other place in your other working life. For this reason, it might be paramount that this space is inviting and conducive to ensure that you are not only comfortable but also in the right mindset to get work done. What better way to achieve this feat than ensuring that the office furniture is satisfactory? But how do you choose the right office furniture? What are your needs? Before choosing furniture for your office, this should be a question you should ask yourself to avoid the regrets after purchasing the furniture, particularly the function and key there. The 90 greatest are covered here and are expected, such as more storage in office space, more important than side tables to care for the clients in the office. When you figure out the answers to such questions, you might opt for a large file-fold cabinet than more seats for your office space according to the needs of the office, of course. Repose it is signed. Size matters. What's the percentage of performance? Read a lot about this and decide choosing the right office furniture.